It's summer na. Pero teka, ready na ba ang kotse ko? Hindi pwedeng umalis without getting your car checked. Buti na lang, booking my service is as easy as tap, tap, tap. With just a few taps, pwede ko nang schedule ang PMS na kotse ko sa nearest Nissan Service Center. Ang dali, di ba? Wala nang hassle.
Kuya Kim, welcome to Nissan. Nakita ko na po ang appointment niyo sa system and we've noticed that your car is out of warranty. But don't worry, you'll get expert care from our certified technicians, factory-certified parts, and affordable pricing at a cost that fits your budget.
Wow! Hassle-free at expert care! Siyempre, sa Nissan lang yan. Thank you! Quality service sa affordable na presyo ng Nissan Advantage Plus Change Oil. That's value for money, guys!
At Kuya Kim, may bonus pa. Kasama kayo sa raffle where you can win amazing prizes.
Talaga? Ano-anong pwedeng mapanalunan?
You can win the following:
Ayos yan, ha? So mga kaibigan, bago bumiyahe this summer, siguraduhin yung handa ang sasakyan nyo. Book your PMS sa Nissan at baka manalo pa kayo ng prizes. Nissan owners, kita-kits sa service centers.